If you're looking to embed Practice Better forms on your website, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact steps to seamlessly add your forms, and I'll also show you some other great options for better alternatives if you want more flexibility. You'll want to see why embedding Practice Better isn't always as straightforward as it sounds, and I'll show you how to do it the right way. First, let's talk about why you might want to embed Practice Better forms in the first place. These forms are great for collecting client information, booking appointments, or even intake questionnaires. But getting them on your website can be a little tricky if you don't know the right steps. So let's jump into it. Next thing you'll need is access to your Practice Better account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once you're in, head over to the Forms section. Here's where you create the forms you want to embed. You can customize them based on your needs, whether it's a client intake form, a booking form, or any other form you need. Now, once you've created your form, look for the embed code. You'll find it in the settings of your form. This is the key step. Practice Better generates HTML embed code that you can place directly into your website. Copy that code. If you're using a platform like WordPress, this part is pretty easy. For WordPress, go to the page or post where you want the form to appear and switch to the HTML or code view. Then, simply paste the code you copied from Practice Better right into the page. Save or update the page, and your form will show up live. The fourth thing, if you're using a platform like Wix, Squarespace, or another site builder, the process is similar, but with slight variations. You'll still be looking for an HTML block. In Wix, for example, you can add an Embed HTML widget. Paste the code in there, and your form is live. But here's the catch, embedding Practice Better forms can sometimes be finicky depending on your platform. Some users report formatting issues or complications when trying to integrate. These issues usually come down to the platform's limitations or conflicts with other plugins or scripts on your website. If you find yourself running into these issues, it might be time to consider some alternatives. Now, let me show you something that could offer more ease and functionality for your website. Take a look at alternatives like Jotform or Typeform. These tools offer more flexibility when it comes to form customization and integrations. They also make embedding on websites simpler and can provide better analytics and integration options if you're looking for more features. Both have free trials, and I've got a link for you to check out with exclusive benefits. So, to wrap it up, embedding Practice Better forms is possible, but it can be a little tricky depending on the platform you use. If you're struggling with integration or looking for more advanced features, I recommend checking out alternatives like Jotform or Typeform. Both offer more customization options and come with free trials, making them great options to try out. And as promised, I've included an exclusive offer for Practice Better's extended free trial through my link in the description below. You'll also get access to some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. Thanks for watching! Be sure to check out the description for all the links to the free trials and exclusive offers.